Hey guys, it's Canary, and today I'm going to show you how to download Sims 4 mods in CC. Before you get started, you'll need to get a file extractor like WinRAR or 7-zip. If you don't have one already, check out my video on how to download WinRAR for PC. You'll also need some sites to download your mods in CC. You can just Google Sims 4 CC or mods, and you'll find lots of stuff. There's tons of CC blogs and Tumblrs out there. I'll put a few of my favorites in the description box below. Before you do anything else, make sure you enable the script mods and custom content in your game. You can do that by clicking the options menu on the top right side of your screen. Click Game Options, Other, and just check Enable Custom Content and Mods, and check Script Mods Allowed, then click Apply Changes. You'll need to restart your game for any changes to apply. Now when you find the mods in CC you want in your game, you'll need to select them in your downloads, right click, and cut. Now I'm going to show you two examples. This is a CC file and this is a zip file with a mod inside. This is why it was important for you to download the file extractor. You'll have to extract those files into your mods folder for them to work in your game. I'll show you how to do that in a bit, but for now, just make your way to your mods folder. Now once you're in your mods folder, you're only really going to see this resource.cfg file, and when you're getting started, I would advise you to stay as organized as possible. You can even make a new folder inside of your mods folder called New Mods. So whenever you download new files and they're messing up your game, it's easy for you to locate them. This is how I organize my folder, but you can decide how to organize yours however you want. Just keep in mind that most mods can only go one folder deep. To save the files you download in your game, just right click and paste your mods into your mod folder. To extract the zip file, you just right click and go to extract here, and the files inside will just empty out and you can put them in a folder on its own if you want. And that's how you download Sims 4 mods and CC. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.